Welcome back, guys, to my channel. Today I am going to be making spaghetti. It's going to be kind of like a baked spaghetti, but it's not going to be baked. So what you will need is your spaghetti pasta. Here I have some ragu spaghetti sauce. Some people may like Prego, but I normally try to stick with the ragu. And it's the tomato, garlic, and onion. You're going to need your black pepper, your salt. Here I have some Italian seasoning, onion seasoning, as well as garlic seasoning. You can choose to put whatever seasons you want. I normally go ahead and do a bell pepper, but I don't have that today. So I'm going to go ahead and just use my onion and garlic powders. Okay, of course I have a half of a tube of ground beef here. I'm not going to make too much today. It's only me and Trinity and Carter, so we don't need that much ground beef. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay. And here I'm going to go in with the onion powder because I don't have the fresh onion, so it's okay. You can alternate and go in with your seasonings, your onion powder, garlic powder, and so forth. Okay. And what you want to do is just let your ground beef brown. When it's nicely brown, you can go ahead and drain your greases and so forth off of your ground beef. But right now, I'm just going to let this brown up. Once it browns up, we're going to go ahead and start preparing our spaghetti sauce. Okay. And you can season your ground beef to your taste, and yeah. So what I've done is went ahead and browned my ground beef. At this point, once your ground beef is browned, you want to go ahead and take your ground beef off the stove and drain your ground beef. I'm going to go ahead and drain this, and I'll be right back so that I can show you guys how to get it mixed up. So now that the ground beef has browned, I've went ahead and drained it. We're going to go in and we're going to add our spaghetti sauce of choice. If you would like, you can also do canned tomatoes or tomato sauce, or however you would like to do it. But right now, we're going to go ahead and go in with the ragu tomato sauce. with this tomato sauce. I like it because it has the chunks of tomato. You have the onion in here. You also have the garlic. And if you guys can see, I'm not sure if you can see it, but you can see the nice chunks of tomatoes. So I like that about that ragu sauce there. So if you guys want to try it, it's really good. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get this here. If you would like, you could go ahead and go in with some more of your seasoning. I usually like to go in and add a little bit more onion powder as well as garlic powder. And that's going to give it that nice, give your sauce that nice flavor. Okay. Here I'm just adding a little Italian seasoning. A tad bit of salt. Anytime you're using tomato sauce, I like to go and add like a sprinkle of two of sugar, because tomato sauce can be a little bitter. So just a little, not too much in your spaghetti sauce. You guys can smell it. I wish you could, because it smells so good. Another key thing I like to go in with is a little squirt of ketchup. This is only my thing that I do. Of course, you don't have to do it, but to me, it just, you know, enhances my sauce a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and get that stirred up. The next thing you want to do is, I'm going to go ahead and use all of this tomato sauce, because then I'm going to go and start adding my, I'm going to go ahead and start adding my, my pasta noodles in here, okay? Before I add the pasta noodles, I'm going to taste it and see if anything else I would need in here. Okay. Right now, I'm tasting it, and to me, I think I'm going to add some more sugar in here, and then go over with the pasta noodles. And you just keep tasting your sauce until it's to your liking. You want to have that nice, rich flavor of your spaghetti sauce. Okay. So here you want to start going in with your pasta, your noodles. Go ahead and add that over into your sauce mix. You want to get that mixed up in there. And you just keep adding your pasta until it's well mixed together. And what I'm doing is folding over that sauce over onto the noodles. Okay, what you want to do at this point, you can go in with your cheese of choice. I have here I have a bag of the sharp cheddar cheese. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some of that over the top. And again, like I told you guys, this is an easy, quick alternative to the baked spaghetti. You're just going to layer that cheese on there. Place your lid on top of this and just let that melt. You know, I don't want to do too much cheese because the kids don't really like cheese too much. So just a little bit on the top will be just fine. But then it's totally up to you. So what you're going to do at this point, go ahead and turn your heat to like a low. Put your top on and let that begin to melt. Once it's melted, I'm going to come back and I'm going to dip it up and show you guys the final result. Again, like I said, it's fast, easy, quick alternative to the baked spaghetti. It's delicious and you guys will like it. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I have let the cheese melt and I'm going to dip it up for you guys to see the end result. Like I said, it's very, very easy, quick, something quick and simple, and it's alternative to the baked spaghetti. So if you guys can see that, yeah, nice, simple, quick, easy meal. Okay, so please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video, okay?